Lead class means our standing style, our hearing style, our eye contact, our speaking style, etc. That is called lead class. And guys, I think you have understood what is lead class. May I right?
Yes.
May I right?
Yes.
Okay guys, so what? May I start my lead class?
Yes.
May I start?
Yes.
No guys, for this you will have to wait because we know that इंतजार का फल मीठा होता है. So please just wait and watch because first of all I would like to thank that person who has given me a golden opportunity for proving myself. Yes guys, you are right. I'm talking about none other than one and only our sweet teacher, Mr. Vikram sir. So guys, once again, please give a big hand for Mr. I'm very thankful to you because you have given me a golden opportunity, and as well as thanks to all of you for giving me your precious time. I know that time is money, time and time wait for none. So without wasting your time, now start my lead class. And guys, today I have 6 topics with a very interesting and very different topic. And for this topic, I have 6 members also, and they will come one by one. After that, they will describe this topic. So guys, without wasting your time, I'm going to call my first member. Yes, that is my first member, and his mind blowing speaker means that when he will speak, then you will think that wow, what a speaker, mind blowing. So guys, now I'm going to call my first member. So please welcome one and only Bimresh. So Bimresh, please come on the stage and bring your yes, Bimresh, best of luck. And guys, Spencer.
Respected sir and my dear friends, hello, good morning to all of you. I am Bimlesh Kumar, son of Sri Bandhu Prasad. I come from PNT College Sector 5. I am a student of class 12. I love much English, so I read English by Mr. Vikram sir. Friends, I wanna say about my topic is value of English. Friends, do you know friends, do you know what is the value of English in our life? Today I am telling, please listen. English is so important in our life because English is aspirant to any university. Because without English we can't do anything in our whole life. Suppose friends, you are going to interview, you don't know English, so you can't understand what interviewer is asking. But you know English, so you easily understand what interviewer is asking, and you pass the interview and get job. So friends, you must learn English for getting job. Suppose friends, you are read well and you wanna go to higher education like BTech, MTech, IIT, NIT, etc. So you will have to read more and more because all books are thick and all books are written in English. Suppose friends, you are reading in engineering college and medical college, anywhere. In college, all teachers and faculties are teach and talk in English. So you must learn English to learn in college and anywhere. Okay friends, you are driving any social networking in mobile like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, internet, etc. So you must learn English to drive social networking. Suppose friends, you are driving computer, you don't know English, so you can't drive computer, but you know English, so you easily drive computer because in computer from opening to ending all are written in English. So you must learn English to drive computer. Suppose friends, you are going to foreign, you don't know English, so you can't understand what foreigner person is asking and talking, and you know English, so you easily understand what foreigner is asking. So you must learn English, then you go to foreign and wander any places. Okay friends, did you know how to I learn English? I learn English by Mr. Vikram sir. Vikram sir has given a golden opportunity to prove myself. Friends, do you know I also learn in Rajesh Kamal Spoken Center by the guidelines of Mr. Vikram sir. Okay friends, today I am telling in our Spoken Center, it has one quotation. Laughing is life because God is
laughing.
So friends, always happy and cheer up in your own life. Thanks.
Wow! I never thought that you will speak very nice. So thank you, Bimresh. Having come here, you told about English. So thank you very much, and you may go now.
Thanks.
Yes, guys, it is curiosity that English is much important for us because by the help of English we can get success. And guys, we know that in this time English is too much demanded in our country because lots of people are using English because we know that English is international language. Without English we can't do anything. Like without English we can't read any English paper, newspaper and magazine etc. Without English we can't operate mobile, computer, laptop etc. And we know that in this time mobile is very necessary for everyone, because in mobile everything facility are available by which we can do anything. And guys, mobile has internet, and by the help of internet we can search anything and we can read and we can teach also. But guys, now one question is surrounding my mind, that only for by the help of mobile can we read? No, I don't think, because if you want to get best education, then for this you will have to go to school. So guys, because without the school we can't read. So what is the value of the school? For knowing more information, I would like to call my next member. Yes guys, my next member is very pretty girl, very awesome, and he is speaking. And she is speaking very nice. So please welcome one and only Shruti. So Shruti, please come on the stage. Please give a big hand for her.
Respected sir and my dear friends, hello, good morning to all of you. I am Shruti Gupta, daughter of Bhanu Pratap Prasad. I am a teacher of DPS. First of all, thanks my school principal and head teacher, because both are given golden opportunity to prove myself here. So without wasting your time, because we know time is most important, so without wasting your time, I would like to say my topic. My topic is about this school. This school name is DPS, full form Delhi Public School. In this school are many types of facilities, just like laboratory and computer room. By laboratory we get knowledge. In this school are many types of activities, just like dancing, singing, drawing, and etc. By this type of things we know how to dance, how to sing and how to draw. So it is most important our school. Now I wanna say about my principal. Her name is Dr. Hemlata S. Mohan. She is very debonair, punctual and very rich belladonna. And all schools are responsibility under the principal. All teachers without principal permission not do any work, just like program, function and meeting and etc. In this school are 100 teachers, 75 male and 25 females. In this school are 5,000 students, 3,000 boys and 2,000 girls. And all teachers are sincere of teaching and all students are sincere of reading. In the school are 500 classroom, 20 staff room, 1 principal room. And there is one big garden. In the garden many types of fruit, flower, plants and trees. By trees and plants we get oxygen. If our earth present trees, then oxygen present. And if oxygen present, then our life present. So it is most important our life and our earth and etc. And there is one gardener. His name is Ramu. Ramu is very laborious because he is sincere of work. And he had one daughter. He has one daughter. Daughter name is Riya. Riya is very intelligent because she is a student of DPS. And there is one watchman. His work is very hard because he sit outside and he watch who person came in my school. If watchman not present outside, then there is one CCTV camera. By CCTV camera we know what's going outside. So it is most important our school. There is 20 bus and 10 autos. By bus and autos students go and come school. And there is one sweeper. By sweeper we clean all school, neat and clean all school. So it is most important. If our school are clean, then students' health are also good. So it is most important. And there is one bell master. By bell master we know what is time now, what is period now, what is subject now. Time to time bell master go to in front of bell ring and he ring the bell. So it is most important. And if the school provided good education, and in this school are present good Amrit. So it is most important. If our school are present good Amrit, then our students have good manners. So it is most important. So thank you and have a nice day.
Wow, I never thought that you will speak very nice. So thank you, Shruti, having come here. You told about the value of DPS school. Thank you very much, and you may go now.
Thank you.
Yes, guys, really, it is veracity that DPS school is a very value school. You can see that this is DPS school picture, and it is private school, and DPS school is the #1 in Bokaro because there are lots of facility are present, and it gives many types of education like singing, dancing, playing, etc. And guys, we know that There are 100 teacher, among of them 35 male and 25 and 25 female, and there are lots of students also present, and they are very disciplined and very punctual student. And guys, if you will see, then you can understand that the school stage a very brilliant result at the board examination, because every year lots of students get first division. Yes, because it is very necessary, because we know that board examination is the most important for us. So guys, what is the value of board examination? For knowing more information, I would like to call my next member. Yes guys, my next member. So please welcome this very pretty woman with that tattoo side girl. So please welcome one and only Archana Di. So Archana Di, please come on the stage and please give a big hand to her.
Respected sir and my dear friends, hello, good morning to all of you. Myself Archana Kumari. First of all, I wanna say that thanks my group leader Vikram sir and Twinkle Di. Prove myself you. Without wasting your time, I would like to say that my topic when I was going to first day matric exam, when I was going to first day matric exam, first of all I saw temple. After that I went to in front of temple. Then after I began to worship of God. But when I was worshipping God, just then I thought I am getting late. After that bell is rang. Then after I came out from temple. Then after I began to go to exam hall. But when I was going to exam hall, just then I saw my sir. After that I said, "Good morning sir." Sir said, "Good morning." After that I began to talk with my sir. But when I was talking with my sir, just then I asked, "Today is matric exam first day, so I am very fearing." Sir said, "First day is any problem, so you shouldn't fear." I said, "You should read question before. After that he should understand. Then after he should write answer." I said, "Okay sir." Even then sir said, "You should leave any question, because all question is very important, so we should all write. You should write all the question." I said, "Okay sir, I will try. Thank you sir." Then after I reached the exam hall. After that I saw my friend. After that I went to in front of friend. Then after I began to talk with my friend. But when I was talking with my friend, I asked them, "Have you got ready for exam?" Friend said, "Yes, I have got ready for exam." Friend asked, "Have you taken admit card? Without admit card you can't give exam." I said, "Yes, I have taken admit card." Then after I said, "We should see the room number." Then after we began to see room number. But when I was seeing room number, just then opened gate. After that I entered the classroom. Then after I began to see roll number. But when I was seeing roll number, just then friend said, "There is your roll number." After that I went to in front of friend. After that I took seat. Then after sir came, sir began to give answer copy. But when sir was giving answer copy, just then I should write name, roll number, roll code, etc. Then after I began to write name, roll code, roll number. But when I was writing name, roll number, roll code, etc., just then I thought I should draw line. Then after I began to draw line. But when I was drawing line, just then bell is rang. Then after sir began to give question paper. But just then I thought I should read question paper. Then after I began to read question paper. But when I was reading question paper, just then I am very happy, because question is very easy. Then after I began to write first question. But when I was writing first question, just then sir came and said, "Here are your admit card." Then after I began to see admit card. Then but when I was seeing admit card, just then sir signature with my copy. After that I am not coming second question. After that, I asked with my friend, will you help me? Friend said, yes, I will help you. Then after I began to ask question with my friend. But when I was asking question with my friend, just then videographer came. Then after videographer began to click photo. But when videographer was clicking photo, just then I thought I should drink water. After that I took water bottle. Then after I began to drink water. But when I was drinking water, just then principal sir came and catched them. How dare you, having seen you cheat? And took copy. After that she began to weep. But when she was weeping, just then I thought then after I began to write the next question. But when I was writing next question, just then by time is over. After that sir began to give copy. But when sir was giving copy, just then I thought I should give copy. Then after I began to give copy. But when I was giving copy, just then I should go outside. Then after I came out from exam hall. After that I saw my friend. After that I went to in front of friend. Then after I began to talk with my friend. But when I was talking with my friend, just then I am getting late. After that I go to exam hall. And last quotation in Hindi. सूरज की किरणों में चिड़ियों की चहक है, ताजगी हवा में फूलों की महक है। इस कक्ष में गुरु के चरण कमलों में रहकर मुझे इंग्लिश सीखने की ललक है।
Really guys, super. Did you enjoy guys? Yes. Enjoy? Yes guys, we also enjoy. So thank you Archana di, having come here. You told about board examination. Thank you very much, and you may go now. Thank you. Yes guys. May I write?
Yes.
You are feeling good?
Yes.
Okay guys, so for making your mood, what did I do? Sir, what did I do, sir? Okay, would you like to listen? Joke? Yes. Would you like to listen? Yes. Really? Yes. Please say loudly, yaar. Really? Yes. Okay, guys. So please, I wanna recite. Okay. एक मच्छर था, वो जन्म लिया, तभी वो अपने पापा के पास गया। तभी उसके पापा कहते, बेटा जाओ, ये दुनिया बहुत ही बड़ी है, जाओ जाके घूम कर आओ। तभी मच्छर घूमने के लिए चला गया। लेकिन जब वो घूम के घर वापस आया, तभी उसके पापा पूछते, बेटा तुमने दुनिया घूमी? तभी मच्छर कहता, हाँ पापा मैंने घूमा। तभी पापा कहते, बेटा कैसा लगा? तो कहता है, पापा दुनिया तो बहुत ही बड़ी और बहुत ही सुंदर है। तो फिर पापा बोले, हाँ बेटा वो तो बात है। तो मच्छर बोला, पर पापा मुझे एक बात समझ में नहीं आया। पापा पूछते, वो क्या? तो मच्छर कहता है, पापा मैं आते ही इतना फेमस हो गया कि मैं जहाँ भी गया लोग मेरे लिए तालियां बजा रहे थे। ठोकर सही पकड़े हैं। So guys, now without wasting your time, I'm going to call my next member. Yes guys, my next member, and he's very superb boy with that rocking voice. So please welcome one and only Sushant. So Sushant, please come on the stage and please give a big hand.
Dear sir and my dear friends, I am Sushant Misra, son of UP Misra. I come from sector 3rd. So friends, I wanna say thanks to my group leader and Vikram sir, because they both given me a golden chance to prove myself. So friends, without wasting our time, I would like to start my topic. My topic is how town is best. Town is best because in town there are many facilities like water facilities and electricity and schools and hospitals. By the hospitals, teachers, doctors are also well educated, and by the schools, teachers are also well educated. And in town, so many wonder places, and in town, so many trains. Well, you can travel one place to another place. It's low cost and it's safety for us. And in town, people are well educated. People are educated, and people and in all people are in job and they earn money. And in town, every person know about internet. By internet we can do anything. And in town there are many wonder places, and the government made good roads. And at last, friends, as you know, our spoken center has one quotation, that is laughing is life because God is laughing. Thank you, friends.
Wow, mind blowing, awesome! What a performance, Eddie. Guys, please say, be happy and
Cheer up.
Yes, अधूरा नहीं रहना चाहिए. So thank you, Sushant, having come here. You told about town, so thank you very much. And you may go now. Yes, guys, it is Vida City. That town is best. And guys, I wanna ask to all of you, say something to all of you that town is best or not?
Yes.
Town is best or not? Yes, guys, best, because in town everything facility are available, like hospitals, schools, malls, park, airport, station, etc. There are lots of facility present, and town people means every town people are educated people. They are very mature, very sensitive types of peoples, and they have good behavior, good character, good culture, etc. That's why I'm saying that town is the best. No, guys, mean that every town is the best, like Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, and guys, among of them we talk about Mumbai. Okay, Mumbai. Do you know, guys? Mumbai. Having gone to Mumbai, you can get our motto also. So guys, and guys, do you know, after going to Mumbai, you can meet your favorite actor also. Yes, guys, I can prove that because my member, she has a meeting with Shahid Kapoor, having gone to Mumbai. So guys, having met with Shahid Kapoor, what did she do? For knowing more information, I would like to call my last member, but that's not the least. So please welcome none other than one and only Akanksha. So Akanksha, please come on the stage and please give a big hand to her.
Practice, and my dear friend, hello, good morning to all of you. Myself Akanksha. First of all, I wanna say thanks my group leader and Vikram sir, because both have given golden chance to prove myself here. So without wasting your time, I would like to say my topic when I was meeting with my favorite actor. My favorite actor is Shahid Kapoor. First of all, I was watching TV. I listened. Shahid Kapoor came in my city. After that, I thought I should meet with Shahid Kapoor. After that, I went to bedroom. I began to change my clothes. But when I was changing clothes, I thought I should titivating. But I began to titivating. After that, but when I was titivating, I thought I'm getting late for getting late. After that, I went to stadium. After that, I went to stadium. After that, I saw Shahid Kapoor. First of all, I thought I should go to in front of Shahid Kapoor. I went to in front of Shahid Kapoor. I said, "How are you?" He said, "I'm fine." After that, I said, he said, I said, "I'm also fine." After that, I said, "Will you go to restaurant with me?" He said, No. First of all, I wanna go to temples. I listen. I wanna go to Sai Temple. I listen. Sai Temple is very famous temple. After that, I said, "May I join you?" He said, "Why not?" After that, I went to Sai Temple. I entered the Sai Temple. I am in front of water pump. I wash my hand and leg. After that, I began to in front of Sai God. After that, I came out from Sai Temple. I said, "Will you go to restaurant with me?" He said, "Why not?" After that, I went to restaurant. After that, I took seat. Waiter came. Waiter said, "May I help you?" I said, "Yes, you may help me." After that, I ordered ice cream. After that, waiter came. Waiter give ice cream. I took ice cream. We began eat ice cream. But when we were eating ice cream, I thought suddenly Shahid Kapoor said, "Will you go to PVR with me?" I said, "Okay." After that, he said, "You interested watch movie?" I said, "Yes." After that, I went to PVR. After that, I went to in front of ticket counter. I took ticket. After that, I went to PVR. I took seat. After that, we began watch movie. But when we were watching movie, suddenly said, "This movie is very interesting." I said, "Yes, you are right." After that, I thought I should give autograph. I should take autograph. After that, I said, can you give autograph? After that, he said, "Why not?" After that, I give paper and pen. He took paper and pen, and he give paper and pen, and I took paper and pen. I saw autograph, and I feel very happy. After that, I thought I'm getting late for my home. After that, I said, "Okay, nice to meet you." After that, I said, "Okay, again, you're my favorite actor." After that, he said, "Thank you so much." That's it. As you know, guys, our spoken center has one quotation: "Laughing is life because God is laughing." Again, guys, laughing is life because God is laughing. Okay, be happy and cheer up. Thank you and have a nice day.
Wow, my God, awesome! That is called speaker guys rally. May I right?
Yes.
Did you enjoy?
Yes.
Did you enjoy?
Yes.
Oh God, guys, who are you guys? You are mind on speaker, so please speak like a speaker. So please speak. Did you enjoy?
Yes.
Yes, that is called speaker. So thank you, Akansha, having come here. You told about Shahid Kapoor. Thank you very much, and you will go now. Thank you. Wow, really guys, we know that Shahid Kapoor, wow, what a mind-blowing superb actor. We know that Shahid Kapoor, he's an Indian actor, and he gives so many hit types of movie like Vivah, Ishq Vishk, and Haider, R. Rajkumar, etc. That's why I'm saying that Shahid Kapoor is a mind-blowing awesome actor. And guys, now I wanna recite one joke. You wanna listen?
Yes.
I know, but even okay. So I decided. तीन दोस्त थे, उसमें से एक दोस्त कहता है, "यार जानता है, मेरे पापा इतना गर्म चाय पीते हैं कि मेरी मम्मी ना जैसे ही छानती है ना सॉसपैन में से वैसे ही लेके पी जाते हैं." तो दूसरा कहता है, "बस यही, अरे मेरे पापा तो इतना गर्म चाय पीते हैं ना कि मम्मी ना सॉसपैन में रखती है वही उठा के पी जाते हैं." तो तीसरा कहता है, "अरे बस वही, मेरे पापा तो 3 ही चपाती और दूध खा के गैस पे बैठ जाते हैं." So guys, now my reading class has completed, and now I would like to call who that person who has given me a golden opportunity for proving myself. Yes guys, none other than I'm talking about Mr. Vikram sir. So sir, please